and gears are used for increase and decrease force and speed. I have made 4 motors. Now let's see how it works. This is first motor. This is drive gear and this is driven gear. Both are same, so speed will be same but direction is opposite. This is second motor. This is drive gear and this is driven gear. The drive gear is small and drive gear is big and driven gear is small, so speed will be increased and direction is opposite. This is third motor. This is drive gear and this is driven gear. Drive gear is small and driven gear is big, so speed will be decreased but output force will be increased. This is fourth motor. This is drive gear and this is driven gear and this is idler gear. Speed is same and direction is also same because we use idler gear in this motor. Thank you and have a nice day.